In this video we see how to properly configure the keyframe robot APIs and Bitget and Bitunix exchanges. First, navigate to the Mirra dashboard and proceed to the Settings section for configuration. From the Settings in API, navigate to the Add API section for further steps. We can choose which exchange to select by clicking on the appropriate cursor. We will find HYPERLIQUID Bitunix. Let's start with Bitget. We will be asked for the API keys, the secret key, the passphrase, and at the bottom we can mark a reference name. Let's go to Bitget by Bitget. To enter APIs we can click in the More section looking for APIs. Click on Create API, generate data using System Generate Data, and title your API in the Notes section. Below enter your security password. In permissions enter a read-write. Going down we have to work on futures, then click on holding orders. Below enter copy trading. Below enter the IP that will be provided by Mirra Bot. In this way you will have selected a single address with which to work your API keys. In this case Bitget at a precautionary level does not allow you to flag on the withdrawal section. Ensure your API keys are not set to allow withdrawals for security reasons. You don't have to give any withdrawal permission. Never click Next. There are security configurations that are sent to you for your privacy and system security. At this point the APIs are provided. The secret key that we will have to enter on Mirra Bot. Then we copy. We return to Mirra Bot. We insert APIs. Let's go back to Bitget secret key copy. Let's go back to Mirra Bot secret key and we will have to enter our passphrase that we have selected during creation. At this point on label we insert a reference name that in this case we can also call Bitget add key. At this point you see that you have correctly configured the key API on Bitget. To configure the Bitunix API by clicking on Add API, select from the exchange Bitunix and enter the exchange. From here we should go to the Profile section, go down until we find API. At this point we create l'API, we give the usual name. In this case we put Mirra Bot API Exchange. Also in this case we are requested preferentially an IP that we should enter. LE. P is provided exclusively in the Mirra Bot dashboard. You find it there, you copy it here. Going down, go to select what are the permissions, in this case trade. And you will also need to send verification codes. They consist of the mail code and the two-factor Google Authenticator code. At this point all we have to do is copy the API back into Mirra and paste it appropriately. We go back to copy secret key and insert it into the section. In this specific case of Bitunix, the passphrase is not required. In label we mark Bitunix and add API. The key has been configured correctly and you can find it listed in the Mirra Bot API settings section.